Ghana's healthcare technology companies like Redbird are creating innovations in response to the coronavirus pandemic. Redbird already had a system that helps users diagnose and monitor chronic and tropical diseases. Now, the company has added a function that helps people diagnose whether they have COVID-19. Users can input symptoms into an app and keep track of their movements to determine if they have been in contact with a confirmed case.
Organizations are going to have to come back to work, right? And you're going to have to find a safe way of coming back to work, right? Not every organization can work remotely. So this is something that is moving ahead and helping organizations to sort of like plan this and be able to say, okay, I know my people, okay, we're going to be back in 2 weeks. I want to know everyone, like who's been in touch with a COVID patient. Like, okay, you don't need to come. Like, let's not risk it for the other people.
With a shortage of healthcare facilities across Ghana and to encourage social distancing, Ghana's doctors have looked to technology to consult patients remotely.
When the pandemic started, I noticed that most of the people were scared to come to the clinics and the hospitals because they thought that they were going to get the infection from there. So then Thalamus reached out to me and they were like, how about we take this opportunity to use telemedicine as a form to reach our patients.
Thalamus Ghana's Joshua Owusu-Ansah says COVID-19 has underscored the need to utilise technology for healthcare.
I think it's going to be an eye-opener to show Ghanaians and Africans especially that there's less stressful ways of doing things, right? Because to get a lot of things done in Ghana and Africa is really, really hard because a lot of our systems are just kept manual. So this is one of the eye-openers that's going to show us that we need to do some things using technology. We need to leverage technology to do some things.
Perhaps the most famous example of healthcare tech in Ghana is the Silicon Valley company Zipline's use of drones to transport medicine and blood samples. With the coronavirus, drones have been carrying samples from suspected COVID-19 patients to laboratories in big cities to speed up diagnosis and help better track the pandemic. Stacey Knott for VOA News, Accra.